Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is the dual sport, 411 cc's, ABS brakes. This is a cool bike. So if you're looking for a lightweight dual sport, look no further. This one's only $49.99. It's got 5,400 miles. Beautiful condition. Come on by. Make your Royal Enfield Himalayan dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.